What if I told you your brain runs on electricity? That it generates more power than your smartphone while dreaming, remembering, and feeling the entire universe? This is the story of the most complex object known to science. This is the story of your brain in 25 facts. Power in your skull. Your brain could outcharge your phone without a single wire. The human brain runs on roughly 20 watts of power, enough to power a dim light bulb. It produces this energy using chemical and electrical signals between neurons. It contains about 86 billion neurons, each capable of firing up to 200 times per second. These neurons are connected by trillions of synapses, forming a network more complex than the internet. Every thought, memory, or twitch is the result of tiny electrical storms in your head. You're not just thinking, you're sparking, humming, and buzzing 24/7. And all that power, it started forming before you were even born. Born to think. Your brain was already building itself before you took your first breath. By week 3 of pregnancy, the brain begins to form from a structure called the neural tube. A baby's brain makes 1 million new connections every second in early development. By age 2, a child's brain is twice as active as an adult's. The brain finishes developing in your mid-20s, especially the decision-making prefrontal cortex. And by then, it's already holding memories from before you could speak. Your brain starts before you know it and remembers more than you think. But don't be fooled, this isn't just about biology, it's about mystery. Born to think. The brain is you, but it also hides things from you. Your brain can operate for seconds after the heart stops, raising questions about near-death experiences. It processes visual information upside down, then flips it before you perceive it. You use only a small part at once, but over time, you use nearly all of it. There's no single memory center. Memories are stored all over your brain. Your brain makes decisions before you're consciously aware of them by milliseconds. You're not just in control of your brain. Sometimes it's in control of you. And if that's not wild enough, wait until you see what it can actually do. Superhuman circuits. The brain can rewire itself, even after injury. The brain has neuroplasticity, the ability to change its structure with experience. If one part is damaged, others can adapt to take over. Musicians and blind individuals show increased brain activity in unused areas. London taxi drivers have larger hippocampi, the brain's GPS, from years of navigation. Meditation, learning, and even video games can reshape brain structure. Your brain isn't hardwired, it's a living circuit board, constantly adapting. But with that power comes vulnerability. Superhuman circuits. We can study the brain, but we still don't fully understand the mind. Consciousness, what it feels like to be you, remains one of science's biggest mysteries. Dreams may help process emotions, consolidate memory, or simulate threat scenarios. Alzheimer's, depression, and schizophrenia involve complex chemical and structural changes, often still poorly understood. Brain-computer interfaces now allow thoughts to control robotic limbs or type messages. And AI is now learning to decode brain scans, reading imagined images or internal speech. The brain can reflect on itself, build machines, dream of the stars, and still remain a mystery. And here's the twist. In 2024, researchers developed a brain implant that allowed a paralyzed man to speak with his thoughts by decoding electrical activity into words. We've started talking to the brain in its own language. The question now is, will it talk back? Love the mind, memory, and mysteries that still baffle science? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we learn more together.